What's up guys, today I got an epic new legit video. Today we're going to be unboxing a Rosalina Amiibo. It's very cool. It's from the Mario Party series, Mario Party 10. This thing came out like a million years ago, bro. And it's still in perfect condition. So let's just open it up. Wow! Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Here we are. You can see she is very, very shiny, very plasticky, very, glossy. The base is red because it's the Mario Party ones. You can play this with your Monopoly, your little, Barbie dolls kind of thing, and it'll be really cool. So let's give it a little taste test. Yeah, so, it tastes very, very plasticky. Disgusting. Just straight out of the box. It's got that new Amiibo taste. It tastes worse than the Zero Suit Samus one, actually, but a lot better than the Isabelle Amiibo. So, if that gives you any indication, let me know in the comments. And please type in Rosalina letter by letter to let me know that you're a cool, chill homie. Now for the durability test.